In this video, we will present the design browser. The design browser is very much like the file browser, which is available on all operating systems. This practically means that you can navigate through your disk and look for the files that you want to use. The main difference is that the design browser shows you only the files that are supported by the software. With a single click, the design is selected and you can see a preview on the preview area. And with a double click, the design is opened onto a new tab. You can find the browser from the Welcome tab, as well as the Window drop-down menu. The browser opens up a new tab where you can see your hard disk and navigate through your folders. External drives or USB flash drives that are attached are also shown on this list. Now, see how easy it is to navigate through your files. Let's go to C drive, Users folder, and Public subfolder. Here you can see a Documents folder and then another folder with sample files, which were installed along with the software. In this Samples folder, you will find a whole selection of designs in different formats. You can browse through them and you can easily locate a certain design or artwork file. If you want to open a design, you can simply double-click on its icon or right-click on it and choose Open. Of course, you can always switch back to the Browser tab. Now, let's explore the display settings a little bit. By clicking on this icon, you can temporarily hide the navigation bar. Using this icon, you can hide the preview area. To navigate to different locations at the same time, you can easily switch into a dual window view. Using this icon, you can go one level up, that is, to the folder that encloses the current folder. And using this icon, you can easily refresh the file list. Any design you load appears in a new tab on your screen, and you still have your Browser tab, so you can easily return to the browser and keep selecting through the same folder of designs. You can even search for a design just by typing a search term. Now, in the Favorites area, you can add the locations which you most often use. You can navigate through any folder, and if you right-click on its icon, you get the option to Add to Favorites. Now, have in mind that if you right-click on the Favorites area, you get the option Scan Filesystem. When using this option, the software searches through your hard disk and locates all the folders that contain embroidery designs. This doesn't mean that you end up with a list of each and every such folder, rather the top levels, which may contain multiple subfolders with designs. To remove a folder from your favorites, you can just right-click on its icon and use the respective option. Finally, you can adjust the size of the icons by using this drag bar. When you've finished using the browser, you can close it by clicking on the little red X. And to start the browser again, you can either use the Welcome tab or the Window drop-down menu.